Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos from papad. First, select your favorite papad, whether it's plain or a spiced variety. You'll want to lightly toast each papad, either in a microwave for about 30 seconds or quickly on a dry pan. The key is to get them warm and pliable. As soon as they're warm, gently fold them into a taco shell shape. This creates the perfect crispy base for your delicious fillings. Now for the fun part, the fillings. You can get really creative here. Consider a spiced potato and pea mixture, or perhaps some seasoned ground chicken or paneer. Don't forget fresh elements like finely diced red onion, juicy tomatoes, and crisp lettuce for texture. A dollop of cooling yogurt or a slice of creamy avocado will complete your taco experience beautifully. The possibilities are endless. Once your papad shells are ready and your fillings are prepped, it's time to assemble. Gently spoon your savory mixture into each crispy papad shell. Be careful not to overfill them, as the papad can be delicate. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a squeeze of bright lime juice, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. These tacos are best enjoyed right away to maintain their delightful crunch. Here are a few extra tips for perfect papad tacos. Always shape your papad while it's still warm and pliable to avoid any breakage. Don't be afraid to try different types of papad, like black pepper or garlic, to add unique flavors. These tacos are a fantastic appetizer or a light meal. Enjoy your homemade, crispy papad tacos, a delightful fusion of flavors and textures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.